Hello, crypto traders and investors. In today's video, we'll talk about an indicator that most traders use nowadays. I'm talking about financial volume. But first, in order to how it works, let's insert it in our chart. To do this, right-click with the mouse in the chart. And then, Add Indicator. And then search for financial volume. Notice that you can add several options. Let's select the financial volume with color. Add in a new window. And we are good to go. See that the indicator is formed by green and red bars. The green ones show the buy volume. And the red ones show us the sell volume. The analysis provided by this indicator is especially relevant for trend confirmation, according to the Dow theory. You can also use it to indicate good support levels and resistance points. The supports are levels in which there is a probability of a reversion movement from downwards to upwards. The resistances are price levels in which you can expect the price movements to revert and start to go down. But, Khalil, how can I identify these points with volume? It's simple. You can just look at the volume levels that are much higher than the other ones. That is, the higher the volume, the higher is its relevance inside the movement. But it is important that the bar has been already closed for you to reach this conclusion. Because, in the other way, there will still be a possibility that this volume changes. But, in order to really understand this, let's see a practical example. Look at the Bitcoin daily chart. There is a huge amount of volume during a market lateralization. This amount is present in the buy and in the sell side, which suggests that this price bottom could be forming a strong resistance. Now if we zoom in, we realize that in this fall movement, the sell volume was still rising, which confirms this downtrend according to the Dow theory. And look, another example with a large volume in the sell side. But next there is a high transaction volume in the buy side, holding the fall and reverting the price movements. Look at the bottom formation with the first sign of strength in the buy side. And next there is a rise in this volume, continuing the movement. It is important to highlight that a rising volume in the buy side cannot be interpreted as a clear sign of a rise in prices, as a volume in the sell side can't be taken as guarantee of a fall in prices. But we should see them as key factors to confirm the market price movements. I hope you have understood how this essential analysis indicator works in this brief explanation. Good trades! See you next time.